Welcome to YGS, home of the coolest manufacturer in York County. The YGS Group provides customized marketing solutions tailored to customers' needs.
YGS is a company made up of a lot of creative, artistic people that produce printed pieces, communication needs that people are looking for. So anything that you touch or hear out there, YGS Group can do.
As their customers' business needs evolve, so does YGS. To stay modernized and prepared for customers' individual needs, YGS continues to add to a diverse team of experts in upgrading their equipment. This cycle of constant improvement is one of the coolest aspects of manufacturing.
All production starts here, at the design team. The design team produces graphics and editorials for everything that YGS prints. Collaboration is the most important aspect in the design team.
We, as designers who are creating the visual or the design for a product, to consult with production at every step of the way.
The finished design is sent here to the production team. With specialized machines running around the clock, large printing jobs can be executed quickly. The machines can optionally coat covers with UV-resistant or soft-touch material, and so much more. The production capability of YGS is endless, and the scalability just shows how cool manufacturing is. Each machine performs a certain task, from cutting papers, printing, stapling, and absolutely everything in between. This combination of teamwork and individual abilities from machines makes manufacturing cool and innovative. As an added bonus, all leftover scraps are recycled.
What's so cool about YGS? I get to come in and see things manufactured every day.
When you see a product that starts from the beginning, produced, and it goes the whole way to the finishing end, and when it ships out or mails out here and the people get in their homes, it's satisfying to see that.
The coolest part of YGS is the entrepreneurial spirit of the company. There's nothing we won't try.
So what's so cool about manufacturing? The sheer amount of creativity, teamwork, and efficiency that goes into manufacturing is simply stunning, turning an idea into a reality and sharing it with the world. Here at YGS, the amazing products of manufacturing make ideas matter and turn designs into creations. Manufacturing is a huge part of our lives, and YGS is a hive of manufacturing and a pinnacle of technology, helping to improve life. And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.